Dreaming of a career in the aviation industry? The Aircraft Maintenance Engineering (AME) mechanical stream could be your perfect base. At Sulekha, we help you connect with top-notch AME institutes across India, providing all the details you need to make the best decision for your career. What is AME Mechanical Stream? The AME Mechanical Stream is a specialized program that focuses on the maintenance, repair, and troubleshooting of an aircraft's mechanical systems. This includes engines, hydraulic systems, landing gear, and other essential components that keep an aircraft in perfect flying condition. The program blends rigorous theoretical knowledge with hands-on practical training, ensuring you're fully equipped to handle real-world challenges in aviation engineering. Career opportunities in AME Mechanical Stream. Completing the AME Mechanical Stream opens doors to prestigious roles like Aircraft Maintenance Engineer, Mechanical, Engine Specialist, Hydraulics Technician, Aviation Maintenance Consultant, Quality Assurance Engineer in Aviation. Licensed AME professionals are in high demand globally, offering excellent career growth and competitive salaries in both private and government sectors. Eligibility for AME Mechanical Stream. To enroll in this exciting program, you'll need to meet these basic eligibility criteria. Completion of 10+2 with physics, chemistry, and mathematics (PCM) from a recognized board. Alternatively, a diploma in engineering is acceptable for lateral entry. Some institutes might also conduct entrance exams or aptitude tests to assess your technical skills. Top institutes for AME Mechanical Stream. With Sulekha, finding the right institute is effortless. The AME programs listed on our platform include courses covering topics like aircraft propulsion systems, aerodynamics and aircraft structures, hydraulic and pneumatic systems, aircraft materials and repair techniques. Many of these institutes offer practical workshops, internships, and access to advanced training facilities to prepare you for real-world aviation challenges. Program structure, duration, and fees. The AME Mechanical Stream typically spans 2 to 4 years, depending on whether you're pursuing a certificate, diploma, or degree program. Fees range from 1.5 lakhs rupees to 6 lakhs rupees, depending on the institute and its infrastructure. Scholarships for AME aspirants. To make this program accessible to everyone, several institutes offer scholarships, such as merit-based scholarships for students with excellent academic performance, financial aid for economically weaker sections, special incentives for women in engineering to promote diversity in the aviation industry. These scholarships can significantly reduce the financial burden, helping you focus on your studies and career goals. Top recruiters hiring AME professionals. Licensed AMEs are indispensable to the aviation industry, and here's where you could land after completing your program. Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet, Go First, Vistara. MRO organizations, maintenance, repair, and overhaul. Starting salaries in this field are impressive, ranging from 4 lakhs rupee to 8 lakhs rupee per annum, with tremendous scope for growth. Why choose Sulekha for your AME journey? At Sulekha, we make it easy to connect with the best institutes offering AME Mechanical Stream programs. Whether you prioritize affordable course fees, state-of-the-art training facilities, strong placement records, we've got you covered. Explore your options today. Compare courses, fees, and reviews. Check for scholarships and discounts. Contact institutes directly to kickstart your journey. The aviation sector is growing at a rapid pace, and the demand for licensed AME professionals is at an all-time high. So, no more waiting. Visit sulekha.com to know all the top colleges, compare their fees, go through reviews, and start your flying career today. Your dream career in the air is just one click away. Click the link in the description to get started.